In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a title in CapCut on PC. So the first thing you want to do is go to the top left corner and select text. Then once you've done that, it should look like this, and go to add text and open up the drop down menu. And then you'll have the option to select title. Now this is where there's going to be a bunch of different templates for titles. Do bear in mind you can check out these other sections here. Although they're not under the category of title, you can still very much use some of these for a title. So let's now go back to title, and we're going to be selecting one. Once you've found the one that you like, we're going to hover over it and press the plus button. So that's going to add it to our timeline. And now you'll see we have a title for our video. Now, a lot of these titles do come with an animation. So if I play it with this title, you'll notice how it pops out like that. Now I'm going to actually left click on this title, and what we're going to do is adjust the text. So I'm going to change it to how to add a title in CapCut. Now you can also adjust the font. By default, it will be on system. I'm going to go with Montserrat. Be sure to check out some of these until you find one that you like. You can also bolden the font. You can underline it. You can italicize it. You can make it all capitals. You can make it all lowercase. You can make it mixed. As far as the color goes, you can adjust it here as well. I'm going to leave it on white. Now, if we scroll down a little bit, you can adjust the spacing. So you'll notice it's on -2 for line, but if I increase this, it's going to make the space larger between the text, which is pretty cool. Now, once you're happy with that, we're going to scroll down. Transform is essentially just the size, so scale. So if I make this bigger, it's going to make the title bigger. If I make it smaller, it's going to make the title smaller. I'm going to leave it on to 100, which is the default. So I'm going to get rid of that 8 there. So 100%. Now we're going to scroll down a little bit. You can also adjust the position this way. So you'll notice if I move it around, the position will change here, the X and Y. I'm going to put it back to the way it was though before. Now here's where you'll see blend. So this is the opacity. How much can you see of it? If I turn it down all the way, you can't see any of the font. If I turn it up all the way, you can see all of it. Now when it comes to stroke, this is really great because what it does is it adds a black outline to your text, and it really helps separate the title from the background. You can also go to background as well, and this is where you can put a full-on black background or any color you'd like. I'm going to get rid of that though. As well as if we scroll down a little bit more, you can also add a shadow to your title as well. Now, if we scroll over to here, templates beside basic, there's also some templates as well you can add here, which is pretty cool. And it's similar to this side here as well. So once you're happy with that, you now have a title on your video. And there's also some other features here you could check out as well, such as animations, but that's just adding more to something that already has an animation. Hopefully this video was helpful though. Like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.